What's going on, everybody? My name's Larnach. I make YouTube videos and I'm a photographer and videographer. Today's video, I'll be talking about what's in this little bag right here. As you can see, it's by Neweer. Let's take a look. So, I just want to start by saying this is not sponsored by Neweer at all. I just really like their products. This little product right here is one of my favorite little things that I've purchased. I got this one off Amazon and it's a little Neweer SL-12 LED video light. Now this thing, it is quite bright. When you first turn it on, it's got a little bit of brightness, but you can really pump that up. Look at that, whoa. And the good thing about this is that it comes with some little square gel panels that you can put inside. So if I want to make this a blue light, I just take the blue gel, put it inside the light, and there I have it. Now I have a blue light. Now what I like to do with this light is I usually just set it off to the side of my video, boom, just like that. Adds a little bit of blue color to my skin, makes a little bit of difference to the quality of the video, and yeah, that's a nice little panel. I myself also use the Neweer LED 660 light panels, and they are also extremely amazing. They're not overly powerful, they're good for small confined spaces, like right here I just have them on either side of me in my lounge room, and they do the job perfectly to brighten me out, brighten up a little bit of what's around me. Unfortunately, you can see a little bit of over saturation here, but I haven't got an ND filter on my camera at the moment because I only can find my ND8, and that makes it extremely dark in here, and it looks horrible if I pump up the ISO too high, so we're gonna have to deal with what we've got. Anyway, I want to get back to this little guy. So I recently did a photo shoot for a company, and it was of food for the cafe, and I used this little guy just off to the side of some of the plates to add a nice little blue light around the rim of the plate. I also did use the orange for some of the photos, but the walls in the restaurant are yellow, and it sort of threw the color off a little bit, so that's fine. Blue did me just nicely, added a nice little tint to the photos, and I definitely keep this guy on me whenever I go somewhere for videos or photos, because I never know when it's going to come in handy. And unlike some of the LED panels that you can buy, this one isn't very expensive at all. I think I spent maybe $20 on it, $15. It's super easy to recharge. It comes with a little cable in the bag here. Just plug this bad boy into one of your USB outlets. Plug the other end in here. Boom. And it charges, I think it takes about 3 hours to charge, 2 hours, and you got yourself a fully charged up little square light. Get a couple of these. Hell, they'll even go well if you take the cold shoe mount off the bottom here, and you can get this guy, put it in the background of your videos, have a few of them. They're cheap, they're easy. Unfortunately, the battery doesn't last forever, but what can I say? It's $20, and it's made by Neweer, so you know it's going to be good quality. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys this awesome little light, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.